We saw some wild weather earlier this week and, of course, more rain today.
Yeah, and you can see it right now in this week's Report It Recap.
It hasn't rained much here in Connecticut lately. In fact, we're way behind on the rain gauge. But as they say, when it rains, it pours.
This is what it's like right now in Naugatuck, Connecticut.
We got 2 rounds of wild weather this past week. The first came Sunday, leaving Stamford flooded, as Amber showed us in these pictures. Lightning did some damage too. Liz showed us what happened when it hit her backyard, and it destroyed an apparently well-known osprey nest in Milford. We got shots from Jenny, Tanya, and Tony. Round 2 hit Wednesday, dropping at least a few handfuls of hail and a good amount of heavy rain. We saw some impressive lightning strikes. Great shots from Harmony and Meriden, Jeff in Middletown, Jackie in Wallingford, Carissa, Chelsea, and Michael, to name just a few. When it was over, the reported inbox was full. Fallen trees and power lines, colorful rainbows and double rainbows, taking shape as those storms moved out and proving once again, as our announcer guy says,
when clouds roll in, when storms are at their worst, you are at your best.
You're pretty good at capturing those beautiful skies as well, as we saw in shots like this past week. The other big story, of course, was the heat, and we got plenty of pictures of thermometers pushing into the triple digits. Weather was the big story, but you showed us other breaking news, like the gas leak Tuesday in Milford, several crashes on Connecticut roads, among them this one on Route 1 in Branford, and a handful of fires, including a brush fire in East Haven and a house fire in New London. Before we go, we have to show you the bear stealing Steve's trash, the bullfrog in Jones' pool, and the butterfly on Nancy's husband's sandwich. These cows in Southbury took a dip like Lisa's dog, while Molly's enjoyed a Rock Cats game. These cats nap. If that doesn't leave you with a smile, maybe this will. The green light in Plainville that makes Donna happy.